Okay, this is probably one of the harder one to run the 4-gauge wire through for the amplifier, but you're still gonna have to find some way, or you're gonna have to drill a hole. But when I drill a hole, it's a lot of risk. As you can see, that there's a bunch of that thick wire right there, a spool of wire right there. If you put the drill through it, you're gonna damage or you're gonna cause a short. So what I did, I ran the you see this thing right there? This is a flathead. I'm pushing it through right there. It's hard to see. Right there in between. I push it through, and I'm gonna use a coat hanger from the other side and poke through wherever that hole that I made at, and we'll go from there. Now, if you are using the coat hanger, you want to wrap the metal like this and tape them, and then you're going to hook up the 4-gauge right there. Alright, as you can see right here, I'm going to hook this copper right here in there, and then I'm taping it right there. See the copper? 4-gauge, I cut a bunch of it out, leaving a quarter left, and then loop it like this, and then tape them. And then I'm gonna spray a W40 so it's a little bit loose, so you can pull it easy, so it won't be tight. Now WD-40 right here, I'm gonna spray a little bit, not too much, because this thing gonna melt right there. And then my brother's gonna pull it out. Hopefully it's not too hard. Did you get it? Yeah, he got it. So that's it. Right there. Whoa. There's a wire, so you're gonna pull that out some more, and then come to the battery. The battery's on that side. We could have run the wire to the other side, but I'll tell you, I'm gonna look if someone want to run the wire to that side. Yeah, on the passenger side, let me see. Yeah, there's hardly any room, so you definitely don't want to run anything on the passenger side. That's too much work. You literally can run the power wire. We'll show you the end. Literally gonna run it like this, and we're gonna put wire loom over that and tape them. It's gonna be like that, like so. Coming over here,